Oh, we found another random mooring package out there in the ocean. Oh, where is it? There it is. More drugs. More drugs. Where'd it? There it is. No, that's not it. Where'd it go? There it is, right there. Look at all the windmills on the coast of the Dominican Republic. That is such an uplifting sight. There's so many. Look at them all. Oh no, focus. There we go. Wow, look at them all. All the windmills. So many windmills. So awesome. Love it. Love seeing them. So Ryan's bringing in the head sail. We're finally made it to this anchorage in Lupron. Do you want me to help, or do you want to just do it? Ryan, do you want help? Okay. This anchorage could not come fast enough. Honestly, that was probably the worst sail I've ever had. I started my period and I thought that I could sail on my period, and I could not. I felt like death. It was awful. I'm so glad to see this anchorage, and now I have a migraine and I'm still cramping and I'm nauseous and blah. I'm so glad to be here. I'm just gonna go relax, and I hope you're having a better day than me.
Headed out of Luperon. Shay behind the wheel. I'm stressed. She's focused on everything else but driving.
Whatever, I'm fine.
And we're out of here. Goodbye,
These
DR.
boats are so impressive. Show them the impressive boats.
Woo, boats.
They're so impressive.
Going through the channel here, leaving Luperon. You can see it's not very big, and it's probably less than 13 feet. So there's a nice reef out there that boats have gone up on, so they continue to move the buoys over more to so you don't run over another boat. They hit the reef. People partying at the beach, partying back there. Another marker. The bay, it's only like a foot deep, so no one goes in there. We are getting out of here.
So the dinghy line broke. Ryan said he's gonna retie one of the lines. I'm not sure how he's gonna do this though. What are you gonna do? There's a bird circling the boat. Oh, it's leaving. Bye, bird. Oh, it's coming back. Circling the boat. It's a pretty bird too. Bye, bird. Wherever you went. Ryan downstairs making some eggs. How's the eggs coming along? Making an egg sandwich. Make one for me, please. Or just you?
I just figured we'd share one. You want your whole one?
Oh, we'll share it. Some lettuce on there. Coca-Cola for breakfast. Better than coffee. The coffee of champs. Right, Ryan? Ryan is not amused. Sees. And Vagabond actually ate some of his lunch. Oh, that spilled. Which I'm proud, because it wasn't eating.
Here we are. 100 and 45 miles down out of 160. You can see way off yonder. There's one. You can barely see the Bahamas Islands. They're so flat. So we're gonna swing in here for the night, Great Inagua, raise the yellow flag, and relax for the evening. Next destination, Cuba.
Chachi licking herself crazy. We're pulling in, the moon's coming out. Look at that beautiful moon. There it is. Beautiful moon. And look at this gorgeous sunset. And we're pulling up. You can barely see it, but we're pulling up to Great Inagua right now. It's that super flat island right there. And there's the sunset. And we're motoring because there is absolutely no wind. That's our wind measurer. What's a wind measurer called? A barometer. And it is barely moving. Sunset party.